Hi there. In this quiz you have 12 questions all about question formation. Each question has 2 sentences and you have to decide which one is right and which one is wrong. You have about 5 to 6 seconds before a bell goes and then I give the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the grammar and improve your pronunciation. After each question, there is a short grammar tip to help you improve your English. Okay, let's go with number 1. Do you like chocolate? Number 2. Did you have a good time? Number 3. Can you help me, please? Number 4. Have you been to Japan? Number 5. Are you from England? Number 6. Why did you do that? Number 7. What happened to him? Number 8. What do you think about it? Number 9. Do you agree with me? Number 10. Do you know what time it is? Number 11. Don't you like rock music? And finally, number 12. How many questions have you got right?